Layers of juicy grilled beef, instantly melted cheddar, and fresh produce. The new standard in luxury fast food.
Crafted with the finest ingredients. A toasted brioche bun, slow grilled sausage, and the perfect cascade of flavor.
The video that you just watched is a commercial food ad made with AI, like 100% AI. I don't have any food anywhere. I don't have any fancy camera. Everything was generated with AI, and you too can do it. If you are into any product and you have not joined this commercial ad, you are wasting time. You are delaying. Don't sleep on your product. So without wasting much of your time, join me in this video. Let me show you how you can generate this perfect commercial ad for your business. So what you need to do first is to get your image. So if you have any physical product, you can just place it somewhere beautiful and take a picture of it. Otherwise, you go to ChatGPT and generate your image. So this is what I did. I went to ChatGPT and said, I need an ultra cinematic ad standard AI image and video prompt for fast food advertisements like bread, pizza, hot dog, burger, and the likes. Okay, your own may not be food, your own may be product. You mention the product with other products that you want to advertise. Okay, then I said, act as a professional creative director. Let each prompt be tailored to the specific product with its commercial photography, including luxury direction, lighting, camera lens composure, motion, and every other thing that is suitable to create a commercial ad. Then I sent. Then this is what ChatGPT gave me. It says, absolutely, for premium food advertisements, every product needs its own visual language. So it gave me luxury artisan bread advertisement. It gave me the image prompt, the video prompt, the lighting, like every single thing that I need for this video, the motion, the camera lens, the food styling, everything, because I asked for it. So it also gave me cheeseburger in number 2. You can see cheeseburger advertisements, the image prompt and the video prompt. You can see pepperoni pizza and a whole lot of them. It gave me up to 5, I think. Yes, so I'm going to select because I won't be doing all, so I'm going to choose the ones that I want to do and then head over to my editing tool, okay, so that I can just generate the image and then the video. So I'm going to copy this first one, this number 1. That's the one I want to do. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy only the image prompt for now so that I can generate the image. So after copying it, I'll be using a Thinker by Spotify to generate both the image and the video. And I have made a tutorial on how to use Thinker by Spotify. So in case you don't know how to use it, just scroll down and you'll see the video. In Thinker by Spotify, you can use ChatGPT and other tools to generate your image. There are so many tools here. So I'm going to select ChatGPT. You guys know that when it comes to image generation, ChatGPT is the best. Just leave it for ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. Yeah, I'll paste my prompt. And then choose the aspect ratio that I want. I'm going to choose landscape, which is 16:9. I'm going to choose it. And then every other thing, just go through my prompt and then send. And then this is our image. It came out very perfect. You guys can see it there. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt so that I can generate the image. Okay, okay, let me go for hot dog. I'll just copy the image prompt, go back to Thinker by Spotify, paste it, and then generate the second image. So you guys, this is the image for the hot dog. If you don't have a physical product, this is what you will do for all your images. I did this for all my images, like 3. I generated 3 images and it came out so nice. So it is time to animate. So I'm going to, inside the same Thinker by Spotify, I'm going to click on video so that I can animate my images. So inside Thinker by Spotify, under videos, you can also choose tools that you want to use to generate your video. Okay, so I'm going to choose any tool of my choice. Then import my image. I'm going to import my image, then set the duration, the aspect ratio, and other necessary things that I need. Then send. You see that slide to generate? That's where you are going to click on once you are done cross-checking your prompt. So the minutes it takes to generate depend on the particular tool you are using and the particular seconds that you choose. Okay, so this is our first video. It is ready now. So after watching the video and it came out the way you like, you're going to click on that three dotted arrow and click on download so that you can save the video. But if it is not what you want, you are going to click on this arrow so that you can regenerate the video. Okay, now you are going to follow the exact same process and generate all the images of the product you want, all the videos, just the way I did it. I went back to ChatGPT and copied the video prompt of the hot dog. Yes, I came back here, paste my prompt, select the two, the aspect ratio and the sequence, and then it gave me this.
Crafted with the finest ingredients, a toasted brioche bun, slow grilled sausage, and the perfect cascade of flavor.
I did it for burger too, and it came out so nice.
Witness perfection. Layers of juicy grilled beef, instantly melted cheddar, and fresh produce. The new standard in luxury fast food.
So you are going to do this for all your products, and at the end of the day, you are going to have a premium, like, how do I even say it? You are going to have the perfect ad for all your products, whether food, whether bag, whether shoes, whether clothes, or anything of your choice. Okay.